Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making motif number 36 out of this Irish crochet book, and we're using a 3.5mm crochet hook to make the pattern. The pattern looks something like this. It's quite a large, like fanny leaf. It is made using padding cord. I'm using a bright orange padding cord so that you can see what I'm doing. The pattern itself looks a little bit complicated, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, just a huge shout out to one of my quite loyal followers, Lynette. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. I do have a polite request for you. Please like, subscribe and comment. It just helps other viewers find my videos because I still am a relatively new channel. Let's get into it. So this piece starts in the center. We are going to go ahead, secure our yarn. Go ahead and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch or single crochet in the first chain, like this. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet in the center, like that. We need 8 double crochet posts. Your chain 5 counts as 1, so we've got 1 there already, 2 there, and we're going to do a chain 2 in between. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to go ahead, chain 2, and 3 chains up, go ahead, slip stitch. We've now got our center wheel ready. We now need to connect our padding cord. Padding cord, I'm just going to slip it through like that. Chain 1 to secure it. I keep my padding cord on the inside. We're going to drop 7 single crochets around the padding cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to manipulate the padding cord just by pulling it a little bit like that, because obviously when you're single crocheting, it kind of bends inward. We need to do a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to double crochet around the padding cord. We need to chain 1. Keep your thumb or your nail right there because we're going to make a picot stitch. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch where you placed your nail. Now we need to repeat this on the other side. So we've got a chain 1. Oh. Chain 1. A double crochet. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 single crochet to go back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to slip stitch into the next chain space that we see, like that. So that is our first almost petal complete. Obviously you can see that I've got a bit of gap here, so I'm just going to pull my work around the padding cord. You can tug your padding cord to make your work tighter if you need to. Now we need to make 7 of these petal things in total, but we're going to connect them when we get up to here. So I'm going to do another one with you. So 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Manipulate that a little bit. Chain 2, and now we're going to connect just here, just by putting a slip stitch through, or chain one if you're lazy like me, like that. Now let's make the top picot bit. Chain one, double crochet, like that. Chain one, pop your finger there, chain three, picot stitch, just slip stitch like that. And now we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So now we're going to chain one, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to pull that up top but spread out the single crochets. Now we need to slip stitch like that. Don't forget your padding cord. You need to slip stitch around the padding cord as well, because that's going all the way around the motif with you. So we've now got 2 petals here. I'm going to crack on with the remaining 5, and I'm going to be back to show you what to do next. But your work should be looking something like this. Obviously the pattern's up top on the left for you to follow if you need to. So your work should be looking something like this. I can't interpret in my head like what this looks like. Sometimes I think, yeah, it's a spider web, but then I think it's a fan. I don't know, or like a windmill. Drop in the comments below if you're kind of looking, if you have a vision about what I'm doing here. Now we're going to do 6 single crochets going across because we need to put a stem in. So again, take the padding cord with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16 single crochets around the padding cord to make the stem. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I need to pull this a little bit because it's like gone like this. Now guys, I really need your interpretation here of what the pattern should be ultimately next, what the next step should be, because we now need to single crochet with the padding cord up this stem, but I am going to twist the padding cord around like this. So I'm going to twist it because I don't want to single crochet across, if you see what I mean. So 15 single crochets going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, and look, 15, I'm gonna do the 15 in there, the 15th, but look, this is what I mean. If you single crochet down it and then up it, you end up on the wrong side of the pattern, but we need to be here. So drop in the comments below what your interpretation of this pattern is. I've kind of just improvised this to how I can make it work. Now we're going to single crochet all the way until we get to the end, but with my bended stem. And I want to show you what this piece turns out to be with a bended stem, because I mean it still works. And also I can't read Chinese, or in fact I can't even tell you which language this book is in. I tend to just try to interpret the patterns as well as I can. And there we go. So bended stem. Obviously the stem doesn't look bent. This looks great, exactly as per the pattern. That's what I get. Obviously I'm just going to pull the stem a little bit to fix the padding cord. And laid flat, it looks something like that. It is a quite nice pattern. I can see this almost as a piece of art. I don't know how I would add this into like a cardigan or a project that I was making. If you have any ideas, obviously drop in the comments below. But I appreciate you watching and being with me. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Pattern number 37 will be out very, very shortly. Bye.